Hello and welcome guys to the JP Coder channel. So today we are going to learn about the first program of C++ and its components which are available in the program. Okay. So after understanding the components we will learn about the basic input and output standards of the C++ program. So before starting the ABCD of C++ language, you need to learn how to write, compile and run the first C++ program. To write the first C++ program, open the C++ project in the Visual Studio and start the coding like this. So basically the hash include iostream is a header file. There are two header files we use. One is iostream and one is conio.h or conio. After that we will create the main function. So by default it has been created over here already. So we will write using namespace std, enter, and we will remove this std from here. Okay. Now see the you can change this line to welcome to our C++ first program. Now just run this code using F5 tab. You will able to see the output of the program in the console. See, welcome to our C++ first program. The output will be displayed in the console window. So basically the C++ program will contain the header files. Now hash include iostream.h includes the standard input output library functions. It provides cin and cout methods for reading the input and writing to output respectively. Means cout is used to display the output on the console window and cin is used to get the input from the user. Okay. Now there is another file hash include conio.h. Now the conio.h file will include the getch function. Getch function is defined in the conio.h file. Here we can use either the int main or void main. Both will be give us the same output. Okay, there is no issue about that. You can see function f5. See, we are able to see the output. So void main or the int main function is the entry point of our C++ program. So whatever we are going to run or call, that all has been done in the main function only. Cout means it is used to print the data. So here our data is welcome to our C++ program. This is our data which is displayed under the cout, and the backslash n is used to go to the next line. Okay, so these are the components of C++ program, initial C++ program. Now I am giving the name for this program. Double slash is used for the comment, for the single line comment. Okay. Now we will see the basic input output. The basic input output includes standard output stream, which is Cout, standard input stream, which is Cin, and standard end line, means it is noted by the endl. So we will learn one by one. So first one is standard output stream, which is Cout. So for this we will create one program, hash include iostream, which is a header file, then using namespace std, then int main or void main, you can use anything whichever you want. In that we will declare one variable using name char array1 is equal to welcome to C++ programming. Okay. Now Cout value of array is colon array1 endl. So in this program we have created the array which includes the string known as the welcome to C++ programming, and this value has been printed using the Cout. So Cout, this is our initial data which is by default displayed on the screen or the console window, and after that the array1 is called. Array1 is declared over here, which is having the value welcome to C++ programming. So our final output will be displayed as the value of array is welcome to C++ programming. Once we run this program, we will able to see the output. See, this is our output. Value of the array is welcome to C++ programming. So the Cout is predefined object of OStream class. It is connected with the standard output device, which is usually a display screen. The Cout is used in conjunction with stream insertion operator. Now the stream insertion operator is this one. Okay. So Cout is used with this operator to display the output on the console. Okay. So this is, we have seen the standard output stream, means Cout. So first one has been done. Now we will move to the standard input stream. Okay. So for this we are going to another program, standard input stream, which is known as the Cin. Okay. For this we will create another program, similar, hash include iostream, then using namespace std and int main, our calling function, and the logic in this function we are creating like we are initializing the age using integer format. So int age in Cout, enter your age. Okay. Semicolon, Cin age. Now Cout your age is age and L. Okay. So in this program we have created the by default header file. We are using IOStream using namespace std. Int main is our by default function in which we are going to perform the main logic. So initially we declare the age in the integer format only. Now about the integer part or the variables we will learn later. So this is our just a sample program for standard input stream. Okay. So here the first message will be displayed as enter your age. So cout will display the message on the console window, enter your age. The cin means standard input stream will get the whatever value we are entering on the console window, okay, and store it in the age variable. Now again the cout, after the input has been taken from the user, the that input has been displayed using the another cout which we have declared here. So if you enter your age over here, the output window will display as your age is the value you have entered over here has been passed to the this variable over here, and it has been displayed on the console window. So let's see the output. See, it is asking enter your age. Now I am entering the 28 and pressing enter. So it is displaying like your age is 28, okay, as we have discussed. Now standard input stream is a cin, which is predefined object of iStream class or IOStream class. It is connected with the standard input device, which is usually a keyboard. The cin is used in the conjunction with the stream extraction operator. So this is our stream extraction operator to read the input from the console. Okay. So this is the example of the standard input stream. The endl is used to perform the end of the line code. So for this we are going to use another example, or okay, we will go for the another example as standard end line known as endl hash include iostream using namespace std int main cout C++ tutorial gonna cout jp coder, okay, endl in cout end of the line. Now the endl is predefined object of IOStream class. It is used to insert a new line characters and flushes the stream. So if we see the output of this program, we will see the each of the line has been displayed under another. Now see, we have used over here only the cout stream. Cout will display the C++ tutorial. The another line will be displayed next to the JP coder. okay, JP coder in front of the C++ tutorial. So if we want to separate these two sentences with the lines, we can simply use endl over here. Now if we run the program again, we are able to see the output separate on each line. See, C++ tutorial, JP coder, end of the line. So this is what we learn about the first C++ program and its components. Okay, the rest of the sessions will be done from the next videos. Okay guys, bye bye, see you later.